You don't?
Right here.
Oh, that's a good place.
Right in my trunk.
Right in your trailer?
Here's so high, right?
Ta-da!
Maria, press the button. It will go right straight up there. If you want to go that way, you have to move it. I can 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 move it.
Oh, don't, Murph, that's too heavy.
Maria, go that way. Go this way. Yeah. Pull the trailer and it will come.
Watch where you're backing up, Rhea. Your trailer's caught on that. Let me straighten it for you.
This is the Princess and the Chicken.
Oh.
Picture. Oh, wait. Now how do I get to it?
Uh-oh.
Look.
Daddy,
Yes.
I'm going to have a drink, but don't take a video.
Don't? Why? Huh?
Turn it off.
Turn it off? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wave bye-bye.